Does testing season make your child nervous? They're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll learn the best ways to prepare your child for their upcoming exam to help them reduce stress and feel confident on the day of the test. Ready? Here we go. Hi, I'm Tal from TestPrep-Online. Today, I'm going to show you some simple yet effective test preparation tips your child can start using right away. Let's start with one of the most important tips. Knowledge is power. If your child knows what is coming, they will be much more confident and more likely to achieve a high score. Once you and your child get a good grasp of what to expect, the practicing can begin. Here's what you should start with. If your child has a routine, they will be more focused and independent. Involve your child in the process of building the routine. This will make it easier for them to stick to it. For example, your child can get used to studying for an hour right before dinner. Finished building the routine, now it's time to practice. Even if your child finds certain types of questions easy, it is still important to practice answering them to obtain tools for the more difficult ones. Explanations are as equally important as questions. Our preparation materials provide detailed explanations for each question, so when you choose to practice with our tailored preparations, make sure your child goes over the full explanation for each question, even if they already answered it correctly. We recommend that you sit with your child when they start practicing, since doing so can help you identify a key factor in helping them succeed. While working with your child, try to notice what type of questions they find easier or more difficult. This will help you decide what topics to focus on while studying. After you've identified the weaker and stronger areas, encourage your child to practice these areas thoroughly. From the 3rd grade and above, the best way to practice is to go through the first few questions together, make sure your child understands what to do, then let them practice alone and call you only if a problem occurs. Remember, your child will be in the test by themselves, therefore learning how to work alone is important. Now for the final tips. Sleep, exercise and nutrition are no joke. In fact, they are an integral component of any successful study plan. Therefore, during your preparation process, we recommend supplying your child with plenty of healthy brain energy. Fruit, vegetables and nuts will all do the trick. In between your child's learning sessions, we also recommend making sure they are staying physically active and not at home all day. Research has found that regular physical activity has a positive impact on a child's brain efficiency and academic performance. Last but not least, make sure your child is getting proper sleep in order to better store the new information they've accumulated. Sacrificing sleep for more study time is not recommended. Practice tests are the ultimate tool when it comes to making sure your child is familiar with the testing material. Every examination has its own special phrasing and structure. Becoming acquainted with the test's qualities and learning how to tackle questions with hands-on experience is key when aiming to conquer it. Visit the dedicated test pages on our site and start preparing your child for upcoming tests using tailored practice tests, expert tips and study guides. That's all for now. I hope this will make your child's testing season more successful and that you learned and enjoyed. Thanks for watching and good luck!